How to download story from Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download your story from Instagram. Instagram only allows you to save or download your own stories, not those of others. So to download your own story, open the Instagram application and navigate to your story by clicking on your story button. Here you will see your story. Below your story, click on the three dots to access the menu. In the menu section, click on Save Video option. This will prompt the app to save your story to your device. Head to your device gallery to view the downloaded story. It's important to mention that the method is specific to saving your own stories, and Instagram doesn't provide a direct option to download or save stories from other users. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.